All guys and this ranks and excellent it's going to take the science and ranks like get the ranks, get the date. Cause of the ranks seems like so yeah, ranks. I'm gonna get thanks to the extra cranks. But thanks, those. I think that thanks goes like so right. Not the thanks. Okay. I think that's right. The thing that back there things. Because I think that's right. What the? A concept going to can't say desk. Oh shit. Okay. I can't. It doesn't come to say desk. I don't know anyway. Because that's saying the decks, I can only warrant. If warrant, I think that's like the right thing. Don't do that, say. Yeah, I can get that straight. Think it's alright. Cause does it come down? I think they're right. I think they're right. So I have to go. Take those of this. Thanks. Something that point. Okay, thanks to that right. I got that going. Right. Equipment. Got that side. So, got that self. Okay. I can go like that, thanks. So it's the right. Thanks. That. So get the ranks. Get the ranks. Get the ranks. I'm gonna get the rank. So you think thanks to thanks and okay. Don't ghost. I think it's that thanks. I think it's that. And so I'm going to go like thanks. I think that thing. Yeah, that thing. You're right. Those are right. You're right. I think that's right. Because I think the green. Nice. Okay, I don't know that the right thing. But I think we can like I think okay like we can expect things. I think I'm sure okay like things and say that thing upside down. Okay, I got that thing. Okay. I think stay right there, stay right. I think same thing. Correct. I think right. Things like I think that right. Right. I think the things. Exactly right. I think. But alright. Seems like that thing is like right. Yeah. I think okay, I can't. But guys, I think guys I can get it right. Can't do subscribe. And thanks for the links and I think that thanks so let's see right. Thank you guys and I think the can't subscribe, get that bang, and get that thanks. So sure you do that and that's right. That's right. I guys, don't forget to do that and see you next time.